I just want to share with you my frustration. Yes, frustration. This is a sort of rant episode. But hopefully, yung aking mga sasabihin ay makakarating sa mga tenga at puso ng ilan sa inyo na you will, gain some value out of this short video. And I just visited someone just now, like a few minutes ago. I visited someone that is, I would say, very close to my heart, and masasabi ko na and I don't say this lightly, because I rarely say this, na mahal ko ang tao na ito, na talagang importante yung tao na ito sa akin, and yet this person is going through a lot of trouble right now, and financial trouble. And for the sake of privacy, wag na nating i-reveal ang kanyang identity. But for me, what really drives me crazy is the idea that this should have never happened. This situation where this person is, na talaga namang hirap na hirap, naghihikaos, pagdating sa finance. This should have never happened if nakinig lang. But you know what, in my years of trying to help people sa kanilang buhay pinansyal, sa financial literacy and all of that, ano mo isa sa pinakamabigat sa akin personally, ay yung kung sino pa yung mga tao na sobrang lapit sa puso mo, sobrang importante sa'yo, na gusto mo talagang tulungan, like in a deeper level, okay? Because this person has a special place in your heart, and yet ito yung mga tao na ayaw makinig sa'yo. Alam nyo, naalala ko yung nasa Gospels, na sinabi na a prophet is never welcome in his own town. And I'm not saying I'm a prophet or anything like that. No, I'm not pretentious in that way. But what I'm just saying is that message, yung message, yung core message of that verse is that when you try to help people in that level of, gusto mong umangat ang antas ng kanilang buhay, more often than not, the people closest to you are those na magre-reject sa'yo. And unfortunately, I wish it didn't happen, but unfortunately, pag dumating na yung problema, pag dumating na yung pagkakataon na gusto mo sanang maiwasan nila, doon marirealize, oh my gosh, I should have listened. Oh my gosh, only if, kung naibaba ko lang yung aking pride, and dare to listen to this guy, hindi sana aabot sa ganito. And I can understand that some people will have, especially people close to me, will have reservation in trying to listen to someone like me na kilala nila ako, kilala nila ako. At yun minsan ang problema, pag kilala mo, you feel like, hey, you know what, alam naman akong matututunan dito, si John lang yan, kilala ko yan nung bata pa, uhugin yan, tsaka laging bagsak yan sa school, walang ano yan, walang maituturo sa akin yan. And I can understand that. I 100% agree na kung ganun yung sentiment ng tao. But by the grace of God, I am where I am today, and I can just be grateful that grace works in ways that God qualifies the called. No, when God calls you to do something, when God calls you to move up to a higher level, it doesn't matter if you're qualified. He will qualify you. You know, ang importante lang ay umuo ka, ibaba mo yung pride mo at makinig ka, sumunod ka sa guidance. And one of the, I believe in my life, one of the most incredible tools na ginamit ng Panginoon para mabless ang aking buhay at buhay ng pamilya ko, no, at mga taong natutulungan ko, ay yung personal development. And I cannot tell you how it turned my life upside down when I understood that God has given us the ability to grow and the ability to move forward regardless of the branding that you have received from the past. Na kung sinasabi ng mga tao nun, wala kang kwenta, bobo ka, wala kang maaabot sa buhay, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how much you failed. God will qualify you if you dare to listen. If you just dare to listen. And you know what? After visiting this person I've been sharing with you, it's just, you know, I feel that, oh my God, I said, hindi dapat umabot sa ganito eh. You know, and yeah, I just feel that if there is one person na hindi sana umunlad, na hindi sana naging successful financially, ako yun eh. Dahil in the natural, sabi ko nga, lahat ng grades ko talagang puro palakol nung ako'y nag-aaral pa, and for many reasons na valid naman, no? Na maiintindihan ko na mga tao, hindi nila ako makikita in the future na magsasucceed ako, and yet here I am. And what I've been trying to do for the past years, decade na, no? Is ano man yung mga natutunan ko at nakatulong sa buhay ko at nakapag-angat ng antas ng buhay namin, I want to share it. I want to share it to the world, and I want to share it to the people, especially the people who are close to my heart, people who are really important to me. And yet, my frustration is kung sino pa yung gustong-gusto kong tulungan, yung sobrang importante sa akin, they just reject the valuable information that will totally change their situation. And it breaks my heart to the point of nagagalit ako, no? Nagagalit ako dahil hindi dapat umabot sa ganyan. But wala naman ako magawa because everyone has a choice to make. And we cannot change people. We can't. They have to choose to change. I chose to change. I chose to improve my life. And that's what made the difference sa buhay ko. And I don't know, man. I just, I hope any one of you listening to me, watching this, at ganyan ang sitwasyon nyo, ito lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo eh. Makinig naman kayo. Makinig naman. No, wag kayong masyadong ma-pride na alam ko na yan eh. Ala naman ako matututunan dyan, si John lang yan. Wag ganun. No? Kasi nakatulong sa akin. At kung ano yung nakatulong sa akin, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. And that's what I really want. And when I see people going through some tough situation financially na sana pwede namang na-avoid, it just breaks my heart. I just, again, money is not everything. It's not everything. But it affects every important things in our lives. Ganun lang kasimple. Ganun lang kasimple. I don't care anong paniniwala mo, anong relihiyon mo, anong status mo sa buhay, anong nationality mo. It doesn't matter. In this life where we live in, kailangan mo ng pera. Ano man ang sitwasyon. And you've got to accept that one way or another, at some point, you will need finance. And makinig ka naman. Yeah, that's what I'm just, I'm just feeling this frustration in my heart that, man, makinig ka. Please lang, makinig ka naman.